Hello guys, and welcome to this amazing video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the fast sprint effect, which means that you can see an example of the um, videos created using this particular effect. So this one, like, this is if you want to make a superhero speed like Flash, like this one in particular will give you this superhero speed. So it just depends on what you want or you want to create. So once you've selected the ones you want, you can just click on generate here if you do not want to select any of them. To upload your image, so click on this to upload, and your the pop-up box would appear where you can actually select the picture you want to use for this particular effect. So let me just scroll. So let's assume I want to use any of them will do. So once I upload my picture, you can see it's uploading. Can now describe my scenery if I want to, and then once I'm done, I can choose the model, but this is already on the Minimax Helio 2, and you can see this is premium, but I do not have the premium, so I'm just going to switch to this one, which is the free version. This one give me 6 seconds, but let's assume I want 10 seconds. You can see 10 seconds will use about the 8 credits. And also I can just click on this, and then once I'm done, my video will appear here, and all I have to do is to click on download, and I will be able to download it to my device and use it for my video projects. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel, as we're actively trying to grow this channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.